All right, so in this lesson, we are going to write the slope-intercept form. So write the slope-intercept form. Remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Of a linear inequality, given a graph of solutions. So given a graph of solutions. So basically, I'm going to give you all these dots, and we're going to figure out which linear inequality goes with it. We're going to write the inequality that goes with it. So we have example 1. So per usual, we just go to our, what would be the y-intercept. So -3. And then, so I guess I will, I'll put that in a different color. Let's see, so -3, that's a little too light, so let's use green. So -3, and then let's do our slope in blue. So, I should probably find some more points. Okay, let's see, here, or not points, but, because these really aren't here, because it is dashed. So up 1, right 2. Right 2. So +1 over +2 is a +1 over 2. So 1 over 2 x minus 3. And I guess I'll put the rest in red. Y equals 1/2 x minus 3. But remember, you can also write it as, well, that was a mistake. We know it's y and then something with 1/2 x minus 3. If we draw our person on this, we draw our person on here, big head, right? He's on top, and it is shaded above. All these are dots, right? These dots are above each of these, right? So it has to be greater than. And it can't be equal because these points aren't really here. Like this point isn't here. None of these points are actually here. None of these are actually solutions. So it's not equal to. And then we can write our other one. Doesn't matter how you write the other one. I'm going to write y is greater than -3 plus 1 over 2x. All right, now let's use a solution and a non-solution. So let's use a solution would be like 2, 1. So I'm going to pick 2, 1. And that means, let's see, I should probably write, y is greater than 1 over 2x minus 3. And when I see x, I'll put 2. When I see y, I'll put 1. So 1/2 times 2 minus 3 should be less than 1, or 1 should be greater than that, right? So 1 is greater than 1 times 2 is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, or half of 2 is 1, and 1 minus 3 is -2, and 1 is in fact greater than -2. Kind of looks a little weird. Let me rewrite this. 1 is in fact greater than -2. Okay, I think that looks better. Cool. Let's take a look at a non-solution. So a non-solution would be like, I don't know, 3, well, there's not enough space here, -2, -6. So -2, -6. I'm going to make a decimal one just to show you all a decimal one, because I know some of y'all thought you weren't supposed to get them necessarily. So -3, -6. So -3, -6 is not a solution. Remember, I could have picked any of these points also because they're not really here. So y is greater than 1 over 2x minus 3, and then, so negative 3 and negative 6. Okay, so I get negative 6 should be greater than 1/2 times negative 3 minus 3. Negative 6 is greater than, a positive times a negative is a negative. Half of negative 3 is negative 1.5 minus 3. And I get negative 6 is greater than a negative 4.5. And that's not true. Negative 6 is less than, because it's the larger negative, so to speak. And this is not right. Always make sure when you do this, you don't just do this just, to get it done. You do it to make sure what you did was correct. So this should be correct, and this non-solution should be incorrect or be wrong. Okay, so slope-intercept form. Let's go ahead and we'll start at our y-intercept again. Okay, 0, 6. So plus 6. I have plenty of room here. And then I think I did the other one in blue, so I'll find some more right here. And then looks right here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let me just try to one more time to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Down 4, right 3. So negative over positive is a negative 4 over 3. I can't reduce, so I'm done there. Cool. So negative 4 over 3x. And then, oh, actually, the x. So it should be x like that, and then y. All right, so if I draw this person on top of the ramp, everything is below this person, and so everything is less. Now the question is, are these actual dots? Is that a real solution? Is that a solution? Is that a solution? Yes, because it's symbolized by a solid line. Okay, and I'm going to write this differently. I'm going to write it as, you can write it in any other way. I'm actually going to write it like this. Negative 4 over 3x plus 6. I'm going to put y over here. But the greater than is the negative 4 over 3x. So it'll be like that. And you can do it as long as you give me two different ways of writing that slope-intercept form. I mean, this is kind of like an unconventional way of writing it, but still, y is isolated on one side. So let's pick a solution. This time I can actually pick one of these dots. So I'm going to pick 3, 2. 3, 2. Remember that these are solutions. These are solutions. Oh, I can, like anything on this line that creates this line is a solution. So y is less than or equal to negative 4 over 3 x plus 6. 3 and 2. So 3 and 2. So 2 should be less than or equal to negative 4 over 3 times 3 plus 6. And we get 2 is less than or equal to, let's do it like this. Well, negative times positive is a negative. 4 times 3 is 12 divided by 3 is 4. So 2 is less than or equal to 6 minus 4 is positive 2. See, and see how 2 is not less than 2, but 2 is equal to 2. All right, non-solution. So let's pick I don't know, 7, 7. 7, 7, 7. I can do this. 7, 7. Okay. That way I can't. Well, when I substitute it in, I shouldn't have any issues. Y is less than or equal to negative 4 over 3x plus 6. And then 7, 7. I can do that a little better. And 7. Negative 4 over 3 times 7 plus 6. So we get 7 is less than or equal to. So this will give me, a negative times a positive is a negative. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 divided by 3. Well, the thing is 3 doesn't go into 28, but 3 can go into, let's see, can go into 27. 3 can go into 27 9 times. 1 is left over, 1/3. So negative 9.333 repeating. All right, and then we get 7 is less than or equal to. So if I do negative 9.33 plus 6, we should get negative 3.33. Repeating. Hold on, let me make sure that's right. I don't know why these ones trip me up. So, negative 9.33333 plus 6. Yeah, okay. I don't know why. So the problem is, though, is that 7 is not less than any negative number. 7 is not, positive 7 is not less than or equal to negative 3.33. And this shows that it's a non-solution. So one last thing. I don't want you to forget that. Remember, this is dashed right here. So these right here, well, let me make it I think that blue will work. So I'll put non-solutions. I don't want you to forget that this dotted line means that these aren't actually here. They just help us graph like the other ones. Like these individual points aren't really solutions, or points for that matter. These locations are non-solutions, if that makes sense. Cool. So that's it. Thank you.